Okay, as you can see, we've done a burn down on this grass. This was just grass that a farmer was cutting for hay. These guys are never happy about losing their hay, so that's the way it goes, and we're going to put this in strictly deer food and cover. So even though I don't like using herbicide and I want to get away from it, to initially start a food plot, you pretty much have to burn down what's there, or your plants just won't compete with this grass. This was sprayed 10 days ago and we have a really good burn down. There's a few plants in here that didn't seem to really succumb to the herbicide, but that's okay. They all look a little yellow, so maybe it just takes a little more time for them to succumb to it. And then we'll see. This will act as a mulch. You turn it. It's got enough height to it that, you know, once that is down from weathering and dying, it should be a nice mulch on the soil surface, so it won't get too hot and dry. And I'll tell you, that soil right now, just with my finger, that it's cooled down underneath, but that surface is already pretty warm. So a few more days like today, and we should have soil temps that will germinate all that warm season stuff and get it going. I'm hoping that up top where we planted it a week ago, even though it's germinated nicely, it might be stunted by the cold weather that we got. We got a lot of cold rain for about a week and cold temperatures. But it's supposed to be in the 70s every day. It's probably 80 right now, so that should warm up this soil and get those seeds to pop right out of the ground. There's plenty of moisture, so moisture is not a problem. We got about 3 inches of rain, so that's a blessing. And now we're getting good sunshine, so it's perfect.